Sharpshooter, take a shot. Sight set up and now or never. Oh, so original. Backfire now, you're shell shocked. Quiet down if you wanna sound clever. Oh, so original. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let's go. Do you hear me now? 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 Speak it talk, talk it out. Do you hear me now? fading. I will never keep you waiting. And we're moving through the shadows there. 'Cause I live for the night. My night, 9 to 5. Jump in with me. This beautiful deep sea might not be radical.
Two songs to let you in. Need to wait a while. Bet you wanna win, but I won't be the one to fly. This is my life. Keep it on the inside, keep your heart on the shelf. This is my life. Don't feel like that. Seems it's only worth it if you do it yourself.
Huawei Mate 20 Pro promises a vastly more powerful and intuitive experience than any Mate before it. Hyper-optical patterns and an 8-edge curve design combine fluid aesthetics and powerful, pragmatic functionality. A biometric in-screen fingerprint scanner allows you to unlock with just a single tap. Speakers are cleverly hidden within the USB Type-C port. The 7nm Kirin 980 is the world's first processor with dual NPU. Mate 20 Pro's Leica triple camera has an ultra-wide angle lens to extend your creative canvas, letting you capture stunning landscapes like never before. Super Macro is now clearer with even better details. With AI Color, you can maintain your subject's color while converting the background to black and white. Super HDR technology gives photos more depth and detail. A 4200 mAh battery gives you a full day's use. And with Huawei 40-watt Supercharge, 15-watt wireless quick charge, and Huawei's unique reverse charging, staying powered on should never be an issue. The dual-frequency GPS is now so accurate that it can even guide you to the exact lane you should be in. The Huawei exclusive High Vision can scan food items to easily calculate calories and help you plan your diet. 3D Live Object renders a 3D model of real-life objects that can then be saved and shared with friends. Mate 20 Pro is IP68 water and dust resistant. Easy projection can now be done wirelessly. Mate 20 and Mate 20X use a dewdrop-shaped camera housing to maximize the display area. Huawei SuperCool technology keeps Mate 20X from overheating during heavy use. The Huawei M Pen gives you even more creative possibilities. Huawei Mate 20 series, the most powerful and intelligent Mate ever.